Hey everyone, Black Friday is the craziest shopping season of the year. I'm Neil, and today I'm bringing you TwoTrees' biggest and boldest Black Friday shopping guide of the year. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a startup entrepreneur, or someone looking for a unique gift for family and friends, this event is your perfect chance to upgrade your gear. First, let's spotlight our flagship product, the CNC router machine, covering everything from beginner to professional needs. The TTC 450 Pro, originally $639, is now on a Black Friday shocker deal at $439. This saves you instantly $200. But wait, for just $1 more, upgrade to a milling cutter set, or add $39 for a dust collector. Choose the full bundle and get an extra 10% off, saving up to $230. The cutters let you carve more materials while the vacuum keeps your workspace spotless. For a performance upgrade, choose the TTC 450 Ultra. Regularly $839 is now on a Black Friday price of $699, which saves you $140. Of course, the same $1 milling cutter or $39 vacuum cleaner add-on deals also apply. Purchase the Ultra bundle for 12% off, up to $200 in savings. The TTT 6050 is $300 off, now only $14.99. But here's the real ace up our sleeve. Bundle it with the VCarve software, originally $349, and save an additional $150. That means TTC 6050 plus VCarve software for just $1,498. It's like getting the software for free. Our professional series CNC routers have a great deal too. The TTC H40 plus VCarve Pro software bundle, regularly $2,198, can now be purchased for $1,978. That's like paying only $479 for the VCarve Pro software, saving you $220. The TTC H80, the big brother of the H40, also has a great bundle deal available as well. Next up, our Star Laser series lets you effortlessly master engraving and cutting. The Star product is the TTS 20 Pro. Originally $834, is now 64% off for Black Friday, just $299. We've also bundled the best-selling Y-axis, rotary attachment, and risers. This three-piece set, originally priced at $932, is now yours for $349. Easily engraved cups and Coke bottles, unlocking endless creative possibilities. Our TS2 20-watt, the Powerhouse Laser, is offering a huge 65% discount. Originally $1,134, it's now yours for $399. Bundle it with the TR3 Pro rotation module and the riser pads for just $539. Our beginner choice laser, the TS1 Mini, is yours for a double-digit price. The Black Friday special is $99. This safe and portable laser is perfect for family bonding and DIY beginners. The TTS 55 Pro is the king of value, and it hits an all-time low at $139. Originally $384, that's 64% off. Bundle the Y-axis rotary attachment and risers for just $189 to get all three, covering all your laser, engraving, cutting, and cylindrical engraving needs. Now the bonus perks. Beyond all of these jaw-dropping prices, we have some more exclusive perks to help you buy more, save more, and enjoy more. First, we have bundle deals on many machines. The more you buy, the more you save. We also have a spin to win wheel. With every order, you can spin to win premium accessories like rotary shafts, vacuum cleaners, and milling cutters, plus a chance at a 10% discount voucher. There are limited time flash sales during Black Friday as well, including our flagship CNC routers like the TTC 450 Pro and TTC 450 Ultra at rock bottom prices. These flash sales are limited, so grab them while you can. Every purchase gives you points that you can later redeem as cash. For Black Friday, you can earn double points and fast track your way to Diamond membership. Create a TwoTrees member account now and you'll instantly receive a $5 no minimum spend coupon. We've also doubled our warranty period to 2 years for all machines ordered during the Black Friday holiday season, giving you greater peace of mind on all of your purchases. Our affiliate commissions have been increased to 12%. Join our affiliate program now and earn money for every purchase made using your affiliate link. Last but not least, we're offering free shipping insurance for all orders over $1,200, eliminating all your worries. This opportunity is one time only, and these deals won't last long. The lowest prices of the year are here now. Click the link below to visit TwoTrees' official website, add items to your cart, and take advantage of these awesome Black Friday deals.